my name is Yusuf Rafiq and this is Photons Picture, and today I'm gonna show you how we made our short film Terror. We shooted this short film in the living room of a under construction house. This room has no electricity, so we brought electricity from neighbors and covered the windows so we get nighttime darkness at day. We made our own DIY light which was used as key light. A chargeable battery was kept inside of a box, so we created a particle light as you can see on the wall in the background. On the opposite direction of key light we used fill light which were actually mobile lights, so we have now three lights: main, key light, particle light and fill lights. To create diffusion, we burned some dried leaves to get smoke in our video because we didn't have any device which can create smoke. These shots were taken by using Nikon D5300 with 600 to 800 ISO. The camera was fully controlled by hands because we don't have professional gimbal or gear to use. With all of this and by color grading, we get film look like this.
Wale mara wale.